Are you looking for a camping kitchen table that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best camping kitchen tables you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have VEVOR Advanced Portable Folding Camping Table with Storage Bag, Grill Table with Windscreen. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The VEVOR Advanced Portable Folding Camping Table offers a flexible and practical solution for outdoor meals, backyard barbecues, picnics, and travel because it combines lightweight, sturdiness, and clever design to meet a wide range of needs, whether you are in the USA or anywhere else enjoying nature or a cozy backyard get-together. The table folds easily into a compact storage bag, which makes it simple to carry and transport in a car trunk or store in a small space, and the built-in windscreen adds real value for camping cookouts or beachside dinners where wind can spoil the fun. The height seems manageable for cooking grills or laying out food and utensils, and the stable frame gives confidence when you rest plates, pans, or drinks on it. Clear benefit is how quickly it sets up and folds down, which saves time and energy during trips or weekend barbecues. Another plus is how much versatility it offers. Use it for cooking, serving, prep work, or even as a small table near a pool or balcony when space is tight. On the downside, the surface area is modest compared with full-size outdoor tables, so it might feel cramped for large groups or elaborate meals. Also, the legs and frame feel lighter than heavy metal furniture, so it may wobble slightly on very uneven ground and may require careful placement. Still, this table remains a smart pick for people who want a portable, affordable, and useful solution to outdoor dining and travel convenience. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have Coleman Packaway Portable Camp Kitchen, outdoor folding kitchen with food prep area, great for camping. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving, Coleman Packaway Portable Camp Kitchen offers a simple and organized way to prepare meals outdoors, whether you are camping with family, tailgating with friends, or enjoying a quiet weekend in nature, and it brings the comfort of a small kitchen to almost any setting. It folds into a compact case that is easy to carry and quick to set up, which makes it great for travelers who want a clean cooking space without extra work. The prep area gives you room to chop food and arrange items, and the side stand holds most basic camping stoves so you can cook with ease. The built-in lantern hook helps you see clearly during evening meals when natural light drops. One strong point is how steady it feels once assembled, which helps keep your gear organized and your space tidy. It is also lightweight for its size, which makes it useful for short trips and longer outings. A drawback is that the aluminum frame may not feel firm on very uneven ground and may need careful placement to stay steady. Another limitation is that the work surface can feel small if you prepare large meals or cook with several people at the same time. Even with these small concerns, the Coleman Packaway Camp Kitchen remains a practical and travel-friendly choice that makes outdoor cooking easier and more enjoyable for many users in every setting. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, VEVOR Camping Kitchen Table, outdoor camp cooking table, aluminum portable cook station with 3 storage cupboards. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The VEVOR Camping Kitchen Table offers a clean and organized space for outdoor cooking, which makes it a helpful choice for campers who want comfort and structure during their trips, and its aluminum portable cook station design makes it easy to set up and move around. It includes 3 storage cupboards that help keep food, utensils, and tools protected from dust and animals, which adds a level of convenience many campers appreciate. The wide prep surface gives you room to handle ingredients with ease, while the detachable windscreen helps keep your flames steady during light wind, which makes cooking more dependable. The sturdy frame feels steady on most flat ground, and the foldable layout makes it simple to pack into your car without taking too much space. A clear advantage is the amount of storage this table provides, which is very helpful for longer outings or group camping trips. It is also light enough for one person to carry, which makes it friendly for solo campers. A drawback is that the aluminum surface may show scratches with heavy use and may require a gentle touch to keep it looking fresh. Another point to consider is that the table may feel large for quick overnight trips where a smaller setup would be faster to manage. Even with these small limitations, the VEVOR Camping Kitchen Table offers great value for anyone who wants a practical outdoor cooking station that keeps things tidy, steady, and enjoyable wherever you go. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station Portable Folding Kitchen Table with Soft Shell Sink with Heat-Resistant Tabletop. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station offers a smooth and organized way to prepare meals outdoors, which makes it a great choice for campers who want comfort and structure without adding stress to their setup. This portable folding kitchen table opens into a full cooking station with a heat-resistant tabletop that safely supports stoves and hot pans, while the soft shell sink helps you wash produce and clean up with ease. The shelves and side racks give you space for utensils, ingredients, and small gear, which keeps everything off the ground and within reach, so cooking feels simple and enjoyable. The sturdy frame feels secure on most flat surfaces, and the compact folding design makes it easy to carry and store, which is helpful for campers who want a quick and tidy setup. A major advantage is how well this station keeps your cooking area organized, which makes it ideal for families and groups who need structure during busy meal times. Another strong point is the included sink, which is rare in portable kitchen tables and adds real value for longer trips. A drawback is that the soft shell sink may not hold very heavy items and works best for light washing tasks. Another thing to consider is that the unit may feel a bit large for minimalists who prefer ultra-light packing. Even with these small notes, the GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station delivers a very practical and reliable outdoor cooking experience that brings comfort and ease to any campsite. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Nice Sea Camping Kitchen Table, Folding, Upgrade Light Stand and Windshield Cooking Station for outdoor, beach, barbecue, picnic cooking. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Nice Sea Camping Kitchen Table offers a clever way to bring convenience to outdoor cooking, whether you are at the beach, on a picnic, hosting a backyard barbecue, or gathering around a campfire, and it makes preparation and cleanup much easier for anyone from solo campers to families and friends enjoying leisure moments. The folding design means you can pack it up quickly and carry it to your destination with minimal hassle, which is great for travelers and campers worldwide. The Upgrade Light Stand and Windshield Cooking Station add real value because they help you cook safely in windy conditions and provide room for lighting when night falls, which keeps the atmosphere cozy and practical even after dark. Tabletop gives ample space for utensils, food, and cooking tools, while the sturdy frame feels stable enough for most tasks without wobbling. A real benefit is how fast it sets up and folds down, which saves time on trips or weekend outings. It also feels lightweight enough for one person to handle, which adds freedom and ease. On the downside, the surface area is modest compared with fixed kitchen counters, which can feel tight when cooking full meals or serving larger groups, and the windscreen works best under mild to moderate wind, so very strong gusts may still affect flame or heat. Some campers may also find it less comfortable for heavy pots or large grills. Even with these trade-offs, the Nice Sea Camping Kitchen Table remains a practical, travel-friendly choice that brings structure and comfort to outdoor cooking. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.